The following clips were taken from Gail's live stream at twitch.tv/GailLevel.
Is that my YouTube plaque? Yo, chat, my YouTube plaque is here. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Damn, we're seeing this live, let's go. Yeah, that's so cool. Freaking YouTube. Can you imagine? It's like a cardboard one. I gained about 10,000 new subs ever since. But hey, I'm not complaining. It's here. Let me pause the music because I might actually use this for like a YouTube short or something. So sorry, it's gonna get real boring. I'll make the music with my mouth. There it is. Nothing. Because I'm not real, chat. You made me with your imagination. Let's read the letter, chat. Yo, this is like thick paper. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. Oh, science. There are countless others. I get bored reading so fast. To your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh. Wait, who's watching my tutorials for a laugh? You better not. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. Guys, I don't want to brag, but the CEO of YouTube pretty much sent me a love letter. I'm just saying. Hey, thank you for the host. Welcome. Ooh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's my name, chat. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, we got the silica that we're gonna eat later. I'm joking, do not eat silica. Let's get rid of the plastic. Let's put some fingerprints on that bad boy. Oh, I didn't know the back was like that. The back is felt and there's holes so you can mount it actually. I thought it was a solid block. It's not. This is hollow. Come in. Who is this? It's your boy. GailLevel. CEO entrepreneur. Oh, look at that. You can see my frozen wand. Whenever you're thinking about success, I want you to remember this. This guy with a frozen wand, he got a plaque. You can too. You can do it too. You do need to buy a frozen wand though. You see that name? You see that face? Same person. Isn't that beautiful? Shiny. Anyways, thank you guys. A lot of you that are here right now are the reason why I got this, okay? You did this, chat. Look at me. I'm the captain. You did this. It's thanks to you, okay? I wouldn't have this. I wouldn't have this life. I wouldn't live this life if it wasn't for you who believed in me. For some reason, with my weird accent, you still listened to me. You took my advice. You put it into practice. And then you were like, oh, damn, this guy's onto something. The advice actually works. And then you were like, okay, I'm gonna subscribe. This is cold, though. It's so cold. My fingers are cold. That would be great thumbnail, yeah. Oh, looking at myself in it. It's so weird. So good. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it in my butt. Okay, let's resume.